posting consistently is not a social media marketing strategy.
Sure, it's a part of it, but what are you going to post? Why are you posting it? How often are you going to post it?
It can be overwhelming. I get it. I do. But there's a solution. The Effortless Content Creation System will teach you not only what a foundational content plan looks like, how to plug and play every month so it meets your marketing needs, how to batch create content that will fill in all the holes that you need when you need them, and give you a system that will make it easy to do. So join me for the Effortless Content Creation System Workshop, and I will show you how to leverage AI, build a brand kit in Canva, and develop your own foundational content plan so that you can start actually marketing your business on social media.